Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if the boot device not found, please install an IPO operating system on your hard disk. If you're encountering the boot device not found, please install an operating system on hard disk error message. It typically indicates an issue with the boot configuration or the hard drive itself. Here's a guide to help you resolve it. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is secure and is connected properly. Or you could also try restarting your computer. Sometimes the minor issues can be resolved just by restarting your computer as well. Or you could also check your hard drive health. Use a bootable diagnostic tool like Hynen's Boot CD or a similar utility to check the health of your hard drive. If the tool reports issue with the hard drive, it may need to be replaced. Or you could also try reinstalling your operating system. If none of the above system work, you may need to reinstall the operating system. Use the Windows installation media to reinstall, but be sure to back up your important file before proceeding. And if you're not comfortable performing these steps, it may be best to seek assistance from a professional technician. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.